Right, now we get into the fun part of making AI sound like you. So there's a couple of ways that you'll do this, and you'll see on your page that you have got this document. So this is when you want to just get into ChatGPT and edit the settings. So you just go into your account and you go there, and you can then work out what you want to do for your personalization and the custom instructions and more about you there. So you can put in your personality profile and anything that you like. A slimmed down version of what you can do with a GPT or a document that you can attach. The document has a screen grab, can take you through that. And there's 13 pages there. For the people that have got tier 2, we have the AI brand tone voice template and the guide. So Victor is trained on these documents and a whole heap of other things as well. Just to give you an idea of what is in these, there are 43 pages of prompts and all sorts of things to sort of get your brain juices flowing, a way to store them as well. So in the guide and prompts, there's prompts to sort of get your information if you're not too sure. And then the template is a place where you can store them. So some people use this to have the information at their fingertips to then put into Victor. This is what we used before we had custom GPTs. It's really in-depth, thorough. You'll end up with avatars as well. It's not just a brand, tone and voice. You just click on the button and it will take you through. So for speed, I've sort of gone through and started this for you. He will give you a summary at the start, and you may need to prompt him to get the full AI brand voice template. So he just wants to make sure that you're on the right track with everything. So he's just asking some general information there, and you can confirm that that's what you want. He's asking about your brand, tone and voice, and then he sums up with, if you're a person, how this would sound. It gives you some tone pillars, some guardrails of what you like, what you don't like, and then gives you some example avatars, what voice that they would like. He checks in with you, gives some brand messaging pillars. So this is just the summary. This is just the tip of the iceberg. It gets more in depth, and he's designed to follow those templates. There will be quite a few questions there to get into the psychology. You have that, just copy it and save it into a Google Doc. You can download it, and whenever you need it, you just add the files, or you can cut and paste it, or you can train a custom GPT on your brand, tone and voice. And if you have done that, and I have a video on how to do that, add the @ symbol and start typing, and you'll see that it pops up. So that is mine. So I have that as a GPT, and I'm basically calling it into the conversation. So I could be writing ads, I could be writing emails, and I just pop that in and it brings it over because it's a custom GPT. You've got 3 ways. So you've got the basic way, the more in-depth way. It's like a old school paper backup master document. Got Victor that can help you. So out of those 3 ways, be able to get your brand, tone and voice set up, no problem at all.
It's a brand new groove. Air power cutting through the noise. Well, in the lane, it's a smarter choice. Simple, sharp, the future is clear. AI marketing edge, your future is here.